Welcome back everyone. As you can see, I'm sitting in the car, in a car park, but I've got with me an iPad with Logic Pro. Screen flips around, I didn't know it did that. And I also brought along an Audio Technica AT2020. This is the USB-C version, so it plugs straight into the iPad. And because it's got a headphone socket on the side, I can plug in my trusty old Sennheiser HD280 Pros. I don't know if you've tried Logic on the iPad, but it's practically a fully featured version of Logic on the iPad, and it integrates perfectly with Logic on the desktop, so you can get an idea down on your iPad, take it home and carry on working on it. It's got all the instruments on there, look, I'll show you. There's even a keyboard so you can put notes in. So I just threw a track together. I actually did the vocals just sitting here in the car with the AT2020. The acoustics are actually not bad in cars for recording vocals. My old car was better than this one because it was much smaller, so I guess the cabin space had better acoustics. I could do a whole video series about the different acoustics of cars, but I'm not going to do that because that would be ridiculous. So I just threw this track together on Logic on the iPad, sitting here in the car. It took me about an hour in total to do everything. It might develop into a full track. I'm going to take it back to the studio and put it in Logic on the Mac. So I noticed there's not many people on YouTube doing in-depth tutorials for Logic on the iPad. I've been using it for quite some time now and I know my way around it. The touchscreen interface can be quite frustrating if you're not used to it. So if any of you are interested in learning more about Logic on the iPad, let me know in the comments and I'll start doing a few videos about it. Anyway, here's the track, just to give you an idea of what's possible with Logic on the iPad. It took me about an hour to throw this together, literally just sitting here in the car. This is how cool Logic on the iPad is.